Clear everything? Everything is clear, guys?
Yes, clear.
Okay, so now, so just assume that at same time only, right? In a same time, what is this? Same time only, what is that? All microservices, what instances is returning. So if in a single time only, right? Just assume that in a single time, all instances will pack in the list, right? In the list, and then how it's possible to what? Assume that load factor? No. See, guys, so what I can tell the real time. 1 minute, 1 minute. Okay, so just assume that the garbage box is there, right? The garbage box is there, right? So just assume that same time only, right? Whatever garbage are there in our home, whatever garbage is there in our home, if we pack all those guys, and the garbage collector people is coming, right? And they are collecting this what? This box same time only, right? Same time only, what? All garbage will what? Our garbage will take right, this garbage collector person, na? Come on.
Yes.
Yes.
Same like what is that? Just assume that our list is what? Garbage box, just assume that. And the instances is what? Garbage. Don't think about that, just example I'm giving, right? Just what? Same time only, what is that? This our what? Discovery client is returning what? All what is that? Discovery client is what? Based on the ID, what the right client is doing now, all instances is returning. So can you assume that if all instances is returning at the same time, in this time of period, it's what? Load factor will not work.
Will not work, Ravi.
So
Will not work.
yes, so less load factor also will not work. So here, what is that? Programmer has to choose one instances manually using what? List indexes, right? So whenever the what client programmer need to communicate one microservices to another microservices, what the programmer will do? Programmer will fetch that URI from the list, because in the list, what is that? All Eureka server instances IDs are what? Information are nothing but data is stored, na? Come on.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes, sir.
All data is stored, and based on this line, what we are doing now? Based on the index number, what we are doing now? We are fetching the instance, right? We are fetching the instance only, na?
Yes, Ravi. Yes, Ravi.
Yes, for instance.
So
Yes.
okay. So if so, just that one only I'm saying, what? The programmer what has to choose what? One instance manually using list index number. Come on. So here list index number only I'm using,
Yes,
na?
Ravi.
Okay,
Yes, Ravi.
so
Yes.
this is what? So this is what? Another limitation. Programmer has to choose one instance choose one instance
Manually.
manually using what, guys? List of what? List of index, right? List of what? Index number. Okay, so then in this situation, if we are talking about that load balancing concept, our discovery client is what? Our discovery client is supporting load balancing concept? No,
No,
na?
Ravi. No, Ravi. No,
So
Ravi.
somewhere if goodness all our badness is there, it's not meaning that some goodness also there na guys. So in what is the goodness, let's understand, but that is also limitation only, right? So what is that? Not supporting load balancer. It is good for what? Single instance concept. Single instance concept. So why single instance concept? Because here we know that okay, we are in our project only one instance is running, right? So we know that indexes, right? Indexes. So assume that thousand microservices is there. So here what? 1,000 index also,
Yes.
sorry, thousand instance data also will store na. So by fetching based on the index,
Instant.
so
Yes, Ravi.
this is not good for, right? This is not good what client, this is not a good client, right? So but if in your project just only one instance is there, but then in this time this one is correct, perfect na, come on. Because only only one what microservices is there. So just what we are doing now here, what in the application only one microservices is there based on that index, zero index, right? Based on the index, what we are doing now, we are fetching that instance. Clear?
Yes, clear.
Yes. Okay, so
Yes,
the
Ravi.
not support, not supporting what? Load balancing, right? Load balancing, it is good for what? It is good for what? Good for what? Single instance,
Single
single instance concept,
microservice.
single instance concept, right? Okay, so okay guys, so based on this discussion, okay, can I ask some question? You guys will give the answer now, guys. Can I ask it?
Yes,
Yes, Ravi.
Yes,
Sync,
Ravi.
guys, sync in the session. I know that this is the question answer only, theory only, right? Because I said that okay, initially theory only is there, and based on this theory only, what is that, our interview is there, and even all possible questions I'm explaining here, whatever interviewer will ask. Okay, if you guys are prepared well about this discussion, this what question answer, right? No one can what unselect you in the interview, because this question only they will ask, except that they will not ask what in microservices much things, because deep knowledge no one having in industry. They are working, right? They are working in microservices, but what is that? Clear picture is not there. Based on a storyboard, what? Go there and change it, that's it. The thing people are doing, but if you have the deep knowledge, right, then you will grow in the IT industry. Come on.
Okay, okay, Ravi.
So
Yes, Ravi.
okay, so now good. So the questions, some question I'm asking. Don't worry, if the people is not able to give answer, right? I will give. Okay, I will give. So, but just tell. Okay, how can provide, how can provide service ID in project, in project. Don't worry. Okay, I'll tell. Okay, because this question I was,
by using properties files.
yes.
properties
So
file,
Fine.
here
properties file provided.
yeah. So in the properties file, like how we are using this what, how we are using what, this property, same way, right? Same way, what is that? Spring is given what? Spring application, spring application dot, what is that? Dot name. Oh, already I wrote somewhere, right? Here what,
Already.
see, yeah,
Yes, Ravi.
already is, this one is there,
Down
guys. Already this one is there, see here. Oh, application what? Spring application name, right? Using which property we can what, give the ID, service ID now, guys? Come on, answer is what?
Spring application name.
Hmm?
property file.
Yeah, by
Using the property file, property name
By
is
using
application name.
by using property file, by using property file with what is that? With key.
Spring
Key.
application name.
Yeah, what is the key? This is the key, and we need to give the value. Clear?
Yes,
Clear,
sir.
Ravi, clear.
Okay,
Double quote.
so let's understand one more question now, guys. Okay, so question is what? Another question is what? Another question is what? How how can we provide, how we can provide in instance ID instance ID is this optional and when yes guys. Okay, so this question I was not explained right. So the answer is what? Using what? Here every application having what? Every application having what? Some what? Instance ID, right? Instance ID, but what? We don't need, right? We don't need to provide what? Explicitly that ID. What is that? Our parent project is taking care. Because of that, I did not took. If you are writing that ID, okay, no issue, no issue, okay. Or if you're not writing, right, by default what? By default our system what? Our system IP will address for that, right? Address for that project, right? That project. So what is that? Let's see that. What is the property name? Spring dot what? Instance. Spring dot instance again instance.
Instance ID.
Yes, dot this one is not showing, right? Instance ID is there, right? Spring dot instance. 1 minute. Spring dot instance ID. Why this one is not coming? 1 minute, guys. Why this one is not working? This is only key, right? 1 minute. Spring dot instance. There is no suggestion, right? About instance. Any instance suggestion is coming, guys? Please see this.
Not coming.
Not coming,
Not
Ravi.
coming.
Not
Not
coming.
Application.
Mm, 1 minute, guys. 1 minute. Actually, some noise is happening outside. 1 minute. Yeah, sorry. Spring instance, right? Why this one is not coming? This is only right. Spring dot suggestion is not coming, right? 1 minute,
Yes,
guys.
not
Okay,
coming in this.
1 minute. 1 minute. Okay, sorry. Eureka, I think, right? Eureka dot instance dot, yeah, scheme guys. Okay, see this Eureka, it's my fault,
Yes.
right? It's my fault. I'm writing what is spring dot instance, something like I was writing, right? Yeah. So if
No issue, Ravi, no issue.
yeah, based on this one, what is that? Based on this what? Based on this ID, what we can say, we can give what? Any instance ID. Just what is that? Ravi I'm giving, right? So like this. But if you want to see that, okay, this property only will tell what is that. Suggestion will come 1 minute. Declaration, open the declaration. Suggestion is not giving. Why? Okay, no issue. Let's open the implementation. Hey, what is this? One minute, guys. I want to show that one only, right? Instance. No, this is the suggestion also not showing our computer, right? Why? Because here some suggestion in the suggestion only by default I seen that when I was doing the practical I seen that, but this time I'm not getting that response. Anyone know that why my system is not giving the like what some notes is giving, right? Whenever we are putting the mouse on what that property. Anyone know that how we can enable that notes? Everyone is silent.
Any dependencies there? Is there any dependency?
Mm. 1 minute. Like what? Just here, like how whenever I'm putting the mouse cursor on what? Here, what? Here we are getting close, right? See this close downside. Same like we whenever we are putting right our mouse on what? Any property, some like messages we are getting there. That message is not coming. That one I want to enable it. There itself only by default. What is that? By default what? No need to put, right? No need to put this what instance ID. By default what will happen now? By default this one will given by whom? Our applications, sorry, our project only, right? Our discovery, sorry, Eureka server only, our Eureka server only.
server.
Yes. So based on this what? This instance ID, we can, and we can say this is what? This is optional. This is what? This is optional, right? This is optional. So by using what? By using what? This Eureka instance ID property, we can give the what? Instance ID. It is optional when we have only one instance, guys. Okay. So in our application, right? In our what? Project, in our project, only one microservices is there, right? See this? Our what? Only one microservices is there. Two microservices. This one also microservices only. But what is that? This is the consumer, and what is that? This is the producer. Nah, come on.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
So same like if what is that? So the our question is what? Our question is what? How can we provide instance ID? Is this optional, and when? Means what? This is the what is that? Based on that what? This property we can provide what? Instance ID, and this is the optional. And when this is the optional now, guys, if what? Only one, if only one microservice is there
And
in
we have
your
a signal.
project, If only one microservices is there in your project, then this property is what? Optional. Come on.
Yes, Ravi.
So it is what? Optional. Optional when we have
One microservice.
only
one.
one instance.
Microservice.
Yeah, instance means what? Based on that what? Microservices only, right? So instance only, because we are whatever things we are doing based on that what? Discovery, Eureka discovery registry only, right? We are fetching the data and whatever we are enabling the Eureka server, those things only we are doing, right? So we can say that if we say that
Yes, sir.
microservices is total project, but what is the what? But from the Eureka server, what we are fetching the now? Instance, right? Instances, service instances only we are fetching, right?
Yes, sir.
Come on.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So
Yes.
one, okay. So one more question, guys. Okay, one more question. So how can we provide what? Eureka location in what? Microservices for register and fetch the registry. The question is what? We done, right? Now I will run again our application. We will run it. Okay. So question is what? Our question is what? How can we Eureka location in what? Microservices to fetch register, right? To fetch the register. How we are giving, right? How we are giving the location now, guys? So now this is only right. This
Using
based on
Eureka client service
sir.
URL.
using what?
Yes, sir.
Default.
Using what? Using what? This property only, right? Eureka client service URL default zone. And what is that? This is the default URL, right?
Yes, Ravi. Yes.
Yes, Ravi.
Okay, so this is the prefix, guys. Okay, we can't change, right? We can't change. Okay, so now I will open it. Okay, I'm opening this one. Okay, so set the URL, right? So now open the declaration. Now okay, so see this. Why this one is coming every time? Okay, no issue. Yes. So see this, guys. Okay, so what is the by default URL? What is the default URL, guys?
HTTP follow local.
8761 is the port number and
This is
default
right.
prefix.
And what is that?
Yes.
Open the
Eureka
declaration
is the default prefix.
and prefix, right? What is the default prefix now, guys?
Eureka.
Eureka.
Default prefix is Eureka only, right? Clear?
Yes.
Yes, Ravi.
Okay, so
Clear, Ravi.
so answer is what now, guys? Answer is what? By using property,
You-
by using property file with key. What is the key now, guys?
Eureka.client.service -URL -default zone.
Yes. Using this key. And what is that? If we do not provide, right? If we do not provide, okay, so default value is what? Default, if we are not providing this one, guys, okay, so don't worry about that. Okay, so if I will show that one, if we do not provide default value is what? Value is IP address. IP is what? Local host.
8761.
IP is what? Local host. Okay, and the port number is what? Port number is what, guys?
8761.
Yes, 8761.
8761.
8761, right? And what is the service?
Yes, Ravi.
Service name is what?
Prefix.
Service name is prefix. What is the prefix now, guys? Eureka. Clear?
Eureka.
Clear, guys?
Yes, Ravi.
So these are the limitations of what?
Yes, Ravi.
These are the limitations of what? Our discovery client, guys. Okay, so now next one is what? Next client is what? We will understand what is that. What is the next client? Load balancer client. Okay, we will
Load balancer.
next client we will understand load balancer client. Till now anyone having any doubt, guys, ask me again. Okay, because our next level discussion is different little bit. Project is same only, but the client will change. Okay, so from there onward, what is that? We are going to enter in what? Reality, guys. Okay, so here we are not mature in that much in microservices. Because of that I explained this one, guys. Okay, so now from here onward big movie is going to start now. So if still anyone having doubt, ask me, I will clarify those doubt, guys. The thing is, ask me based on current discussion, not a future discussion. Okay, so future discussion, give me that freedom to me. Okay, give that freedom to me, I will take care, guys. Okay, so after ending the microservices, if I'm leaving any area at the time, if you tell, okay Ravi, you did not touch this concept, this area, I will explain it, but I will tell each and everything, guys. Okay, I will not leave single thing also. But if current discussion, if anyone having doubt, just ask. Unmute
No, Ravi, still not.
unmute yourself, guys. Okay.
It's clear.
The thing is, guys, do the practical, right? Until unless if the people are not doing the practical, thing will not come. Okay, so somewhere, if the people want to become a successful, some sacrifices is required, guys. Okay, if the people are having the guts to sacrifice the what unnecessary thing, okay, definitely little bit good success is there. Okay, our software engineers, this it's not meaning that we are so much successful person. Okay, if we are successful person, like what the others, what people are like our Kalam Sahab is there, other what is that, Swami Vivekanand is there, like these people, the people are remember, right? So but what the thing is, if the like low level success if you want, right? So just what? Sacrifice something. Okay, and learn the subject. Okay, guys, so if anyone having any doubt, let me know that. And complete this application, right? Complete this application, analyze it. Okay, analyze it, try to what? Try to develop without seeing the video. Try to develop this application wherever you are getting the error, resolve it by without seeing the one time. Watch the one time videos. Okay, again, if you are stuck in anywhere, okay, no issue, video is available now, I will watch it and I will resolve it. Then what? Your brain is not developed, guys. Okay, your brain is not developed. So try to resolve the error, try to read that error. Okay, which kind of error you are getting, then the clarity will come, and then what? Confidence will come in the subject. So okay, guys, the only one things, guys, little bit health issue is going on. Okay, so yesterday because of that I did not took the session, and even today also I'm not in that mood to take the session. But why I took? Because the people what having what little bit some expectation, right? So I can't break every time their expectation. Because of that I took the session. Okay, next client we will learn what? Next weekend onward, and next weekend onward I'm promising you, guys. Okay, bunk will be not there, session will be continue. So please give me the time in this weekend. Next weekend we will learn it.
Yes. Yeah, okay, Ravi.
Sure, Ravi.
Okay, Ravi.
Sure,
Thank you,
Ravi.
Ravi.
No issue, Ravi. No issue. Please take care.
Okay guys, so I will upload
Yeah, first
yeah, I will upload this video
health is
on
important, Ravi.
yeah, so I will update this video on YouTube channel, guys. Okay, just my humble request to you people, guys. Okay, just do one time practical, guys. In a single day the thing will not come to you, and no one will understand what is the birth of this subject. But when you guys will really work on microservices, then you people will understand the what is that the value of this subject. So okay, so just do the practical, that's it. Okay, nothing expectation is there, just only one time if you are doing the practical on the this whatever things we completed, that's it, that enough. Okay, no need to do the practical again and again. So okay guys, so let's stop the session, we will meet next weekend.
Okay.
Yeah, okay, Ravi. Thank you.
Thank you very
Bye,
much,
Ravi.
Ravi.
Yeah, okay guys, so bye bye.
Thank
Bye,
Take
Ravi.
your health, Ravi.